We love you, I love you too. Alam niyo yan. I am worldwide lang ang love ko. Kasi worldwide lang ang original at tunay. Isa pa lang, galit na ako. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Ang daming copycat na fake. Kakainit ng ulo. Nakakawalang gana, di ba? Ang sarap ng magkaso. Kasuhan kaya natin sila. Alam niyo, ito ang goal ko sa inyo. Alam niyo nga kung sino may-ari ng Navitas? Hindi yung international, kasi may Navitas na international. Yung local, yung nanggagaya at nanggagamit ng mga artista, yung nag-edit ng mga pictures sa IG, at sa mga ibang social media networks. Ha? Tinalaan niyo na lahat tayo, ha? Ilan na ba tayo sa I Am Worldwide? Marami na tayo. Kaya mag-ingat yung mga may-ari niyan. Kasi that is considered cyber libel. That is what that case is. Swerte lang nila right now na hindi pa natin natutuklasan kung sino talaga yung may-ari niyan. Pero once na nalaman natin yun, kawawa sila. Pati sila Doc Willie, pati sila Hart, pati sila Sharon Cuneta. Ang kapal ng mukha nila, ginagamit nila kami nang walang paalam. Correct? So today, sana lahat kayo, mga anak, I'm taking this opportunity already. I-video nyo, ikalat ninyo sa social media. They are users, they are fake sellers. They are using us as their platform to sell. We are not endorsing Navitas. Me personally, I only am with I Am Worldwide. I only supply I Am Worldwide. I do not supply any other networking company. Let's make that clear. And alam ko, lahat din ng mga artista, ng mga under I Am Worldwide, ganun din, nang gigigit na yung mga yan, nang nagagalit na ng sobra. Just because we're quiet doesn't mean we're not working. Correct? Enough is enough. If we see you doing any more social media networking, using our faces, our ads, we will go after you with a vengeance. Tama na, integrity ang gamitin nyo. Hindi naman kailangan manggamit para makabenta. Tama ba hindi? Okay, now, let's put that to rest. Ayoko na silang pag-usapan kasi they're nothing but a second-rate trying hard podcast. So tonight is about our elite executives, correct? I would like to say, I personally know how much hard work you put into getting to this stage in our network marketing platform. Okay, mahirap yung ginagawa ninyo. And the reason why we are here every quarter is because we want to thank you, we want to congratulate you, we want to show you how much we admire you. Your company is always going to be behind you. We will do everything we can. I personally will do everything I can to always make sure that our products are the best and hindi kayo mapapahiya. We don't need to use anyone. We can use our own. Congratulations again sa inyong lahat. We have many, many more new and exciting products for you upcoming in the next few years. Yes! In fact, we will go as far as saying na talagang hindi lang pang food supplement, pang beauty pa. Dahil naririnig namin kayo. We hear your voices, we know what you want. And we will always help you as much as we can to make it easy for you. We will get the best of the best always. Kita nyo naman tonight, hinarana na kayo, sinayawan pa. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? You know that everything I Am Worldwide does is to make you happy. Kasi alam po namin lahat that without you, there is no us. We are a team. Congratulations again to all the elite executives, and to God be all the glory.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our following queen.